guys, and welcome back to Cheesecake Week. Oh my goodness sakes, we're having so much fun bringing you 2 full weeks of cheesecakes. Oh my goodness sakes, this is so fun. And you guys, I just have to tell you right quick before we jump into our Candybar Cheesecake that we're making today, is several years ago I started doing cheesecakes New York style. And very quickly on, I realized that for me, cheesecake is like a blank canvas. And once I got the technique down of the basic, which is the New York style, for me it's the New York style original type of cheesecake, which we've done a video on that. If you haven't seen that, make sure you check that out. I'll link that below. I realized that you can do anything you want with a cheesecake, like the sky's the limit, right? And so we're having so much fun bringing you some of my ideas and some of the things that I've done in the past, some of our fan favorites, and some new things for you guys with cheesecakes. This one today is going to be Candybar Cheesecake, and I've already got my crust ready and waiting back there. So we're going to start in getting our things ready for the filling. Now, we've got Baby Ruth and Snickers bar and Reese's cups here that are going to go layered into the cheesecake. Okay, and now as we're going to be making this, guys, remember we got our crust ready and waiting back here. Now the crust for that is going to be in the New York style cheesecake. So if you need to quick reference on that, just in the link below, you'll find that recipe linked for the New York style cheesecake, and that crust, the whole method and everything will be in that recipe for the New York style cheesecake. But today we're doing Candybar cheesecake. So I'm taking Snickers bars, Baby Ruth, and I'm chopping them into good bite-sized pieces. And these are the fun size, the little fun size ones right here, guys. And I'm cutting these into about four pieces, 4 to 5 pieces on these, because we don't want these pieces to be overwhelming like when you take a bite of cheesecake. So 4 to 5 slices on those. And now we're going to make filling for our Candybar cheesecake. Okay, so we're ready to make our filling for our 8-inch Candybar cheesecake. We're not doing a 9-inch on this one. So into our bowl goes our 3 softened bricks of cream cheese, and these are the 8-ounce if I didn't say that already. And we're going to whisk this until it's soft and fluffy. Okay guys, now for this cheesecake we are going to use white sugar because it's already in all of the candy. So we're just going to go ahead and use white sugar in the filling. In goes our sour cream. In goes our vanilla. We're going to do a quick scrape down the sides and then add our eggs. One more quick scrape down the sides. And we're ready to start filling our crust. Okay, we have our crust. We're going to put in a short layer of the filling. And into that layer, or onto that layer, is going to go our Reese cups. And we don't want them too close to the edge because we really don't want them peeking through the filling on the outside, on the edge. Okay, now another layer of filling. And then onto that layer is going to go our candy bar pieces of the Snickers and Baby Ruth. And again, we want these to fill the layer, but we don't want them right up against that edge. There we go. Look at that. We used all but one little slice. I'm sure I'll find somebody in the house that will agree to eat that tiny little bite that didn't find its way in. And then the rest of the filling goes in here. And guys, if you noticed on that, with my graham cracker crust, I did not pull that graham cracker all the way up on the sides, and that was for a very specific reason, which I'm going to show you when we finish this cake. We're just going to smooth our top, get a little doodly-doo on the top. And our oven is ready, perfect timing. So this is going to go into a 350 oven, guys, for about 45 minutes. All right, our candy bar cheesecake is ready. It's been nice and chilled. Boy, that's good. All right, let's try and get it on there evenly. Again, we got our little gripper there. All right, now before we unmold this one, because remember we didn't put graham crackers up the side of this one, so we're going to try and give this a little bit of some help loosening those sides, those edges. Come on, baby. Come on. Let loose. Even though we got a little bit of a hang up there on a couple of little parts, we're not going to worry about that because of the way that we're going to decorate this, which we're going to get to right now. Candy bars on the side. Now we've got Twix bars, Crunch bars, and Butterfinger. And remember that in the layers, we had that layer of Reese's cups and then the layer of Baby Ruth and Snickers in there. So fun. So now we want to do on the side, do our candy bars. So we're going to do just kind of a every other kind of thing here. Coming in with our peanut M&Ms. One casualty. I'm trying to show this towards you guys as much as I can and still see what I'm doing. Oh my goodness sakes. I'm liking that. That's a lot of fun.
Wow!
Alrighty guys, we gotta give this a slice of a little taste test. Ooh, I think I hit one of our goodies inside. No fun. And see, you can see our little goodies in there. Yum. Look at the Reese's cup down there. Alright guys, there you got it. Candy bar cheesecake. That is something that you can have fun with, tweak it any way you like, whatever is your favorite candy. Chocolate works really good in this application, so whatever your favorite chocolate bar is, you can cut them up, crumble them up, make your layers, 1 layer, 2 layer, whatever you like, okay? And when you do, leave me a comment on that, guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already, because that really helps us out, and that way you can see this and all the other wonderful videos we're uploading for you each and every week. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.